Hi guys, and here's another one, Land Cruiser Prado, and usually gusto ko tong simulan sa loob na agad, then going outside. Tara, simulan agad natin. So guys, we're gonna start here, of course, at the driver's side. So hindi mawawala ang smart entry dito, of course. This one, the smart entry, this sensor. So yan, design yung side mirror with signal light. Pasok agad tayo guys. So yeah, eto na ang design ng interior sa door nya. Step board, auto seat adjustment. Nice. So meron tong memory ng seat ng settings. Yan. Merong memory 1 and memory 2. So ito yung pang set. Then this is the standard adjustment for the window. Yan. So ito yung control panel and to adjust the side mirrors. Yan. So yan, merong cursor dito. So yan. So bihirang-bihira magkaroon ng display nito. Very limited ang arrival niya in Philippines. So minsan sinasuggest ko dito any color na tayo. So going back to the unit is ito, medyo marami-rami to ah. On the side of the steering wheel, ito yung mga buttons. Alright. So ayan, meron tayo dito is the auto high beam. Then ito naman is yung brightness. Ito yung pang-adjust ng brightness nitong multi-information display, this one. Ayan. Then meron tayong control here para sa tailgate. So pressurized washer yan para sa headlights. So ito yan ah, yung button na yan will activate this one. So dito nakatago, naka-enclose yung washer nitong headlight. So in case nasa muddy terrain kayo or yun na nga sa pag-akit ng bundok, yan, maputik. So para hindi matakpan yung headlight, meron tayong headlight washer. So pressurized washer yan. Yan, this one. And this one is para dito sa mga sensor. Safety sensor yan. Pwede mo siya i-off. Ito naman is yung tailgate control. So pwede mo buksan dito yung tailgate from here para hindi ka nabababa. Yan. Then what else? Auto high beam, pre-collision. Ito yung pang dim ng multi-information display, that one. So pwede mo i-adjust, pwede mo i-dim or brighten up. Then washer, then tailgate. That's it. So ito, baka magtataka kayo, may nakikita kayo dito ng joystick. So electronic na yung pag-adjust nitong steering wheel by just using this. So ayan, sa mga nakaabot pa sa PlayStation, it's a joystick. Yan, up, down, left, or right. So yan, ganun ka convenient yung pag-adjust ng steering wheel niya. Meron kang joystick here. Yan. Nice. So ang ganda nung design nitong aircon vent niya. Yan. Right. Ganda. So yan, meron tayong lagayan ng tumbler here. One. And pang lagayan ng files. And yan, ito yung design ng handle niya. Ito yung pang unlock, pang open ng door. So ito yung design pa rin ng lock niya, this one. So tara, let's go inside. So yeah, ito yung design ng steering wheel niya. Very modern. Yeah. Then simulan agad natin. Ito meron pang back, pang control dito sa multi-information display. So ito yung cursor to move around. Yan. Dito yan sa multi-information display. Then may pang-answer tayo ng call here. Yan. Then ito yung volume control niya. So yan, up down siya. Then here, ito naman is the cruise control panel. Yan. Usually ito naman mode din is shortcut here. Yan, para sa infotainment nating monitor. Yan. So by the way, meron nga pala tong projector na here. So ito dito located here. So may lumalabas dito sa windshield mo ng speedometer here. Yan. So para siyang projector here na nakikita nyo dito sa windshield. Yan. So moving here sa center console natin, ang daming buttons. Pero iisa-isahin natin. So ito yung heater tsaka pang cooler ng itong driver seat. Alright? So ito yun. Yan. Ito yung dalawang button for that. So front defogger, rear defogger, off, aircon, fan level. Ito yung mode, synchronize, air circulation, and rear aircon. Okay? So dito naman meron din tayo ditong, so dalawa to. So may separate control tong left driver side, itong front passenger, para dito sa heater tsaka pang cooler ng seat. So yan, makikita mo yung design nitong upuan na to. Meron siyang mga small openings na hole para malamigan itong seat ng passenger tsaka driver. And even this second row is meron din. So yan, by the way, ito makikita nyo, meron tayong panoramic view. Yan. Right? So ito yung controls nya. Okay, meron tayong open, close, door function, lit the headlight, lit the light, then up, down. Okay. So, ang opening nito is hanggang dito lang. Hindi lahat ng ceiling, right? Yan. So, ito yung design ng rear view mirror niya. Yan. Of course, dito yung located yung sensor niya. Yan. Alright. So, go after this naman is dito na tayo sa meron tayong drive mode, multi-terrain. So, yan. Depende sa terrain. Especially kung sandy, muddy, ayan, rocky, medyo maraming bato. Ayan, dito makakapili ka nung depende dun sa terrain na dinadaanan nyo. Especially ito, 4-wheel drive yan. Then meron tayong crawl. Yan. Ito para sa mga hindi nakakaalam nito, ito yung aandar siya mag-isa. Then dahan-dahan, at least mas nakafocus ka sa road instead na nakafocus ka sa accelerator. Alright? So yan, yung crawl. Then brake hold assist, then handbrake. Ito yung handbrake na electronic. So yan yung design ng ano niya, shift knob niya. So meron ditong push button. Yan. So ito is the traction, differential lock. So ganito naman yung pang-adjust ng between 4-wheel drive and the 4-wheel drive load. Yan. So dito dalawang cup holder. Meron tayong USB power supply here, dalawa. Then ito meron USB connection type C. Yan, puro type C siya. Then meron HDMI connection here. Then the 360 camera view. Yan. And this one is the volume control for the audio. Ayos. Ganda. So, check naman natin yung second row. Wait, bago ko pala makalimutan, dito sa center console niya, ito may lagayan tayo here. So, meron siyang cool box also. Yan. Yan, para at least kung maglalagay kayo dito ng medyo beverages, mineral water, dadaan din dito yung lamig ng aircon. Yan. Okay, so nandito yung push niya. Yan. Right. So ito na, going in to the second row. Ito yung design, almost kamukha nung sa driver's side, pero of course yung meron yung mga control panel sa windows. And ito, control sa window, unlock, handle, meron tayong dalawang cup holder here. So yung second row seats is meron ding cooling system. So yan, may mga small holes siya na kung saan lalabas yung lamig. Yan. So ito yung ilaw natin at the ceiling. Then meron din tayong retractable monitor here. Yan. So meron din tayong control panel here at the center console sa second row. Ayan. Meron din control here para sa cooling system ng upuan. Yan, alright. May control din ng temperature. Nice. May solo itong control ng temperature. So ito yung fan blower level ng second row. Alright. Nandito yung mga aircon vent niya. Yan. Then, ayan, auto. Yung auto pa rin, ha? Auto max cool. Then off. Ayan. Yung mode naman, ayan. Yan yung control ng mode niya. Then may HDMI connection din. Yun ang matindi. So, even the passenger pwedeng mag-connect ng HDMI. Then, what else? Meron tayong classic cigarette power supply. Then, another power supply na Type-C. Nice. Ganda. Talagang kumpleto. Okay. So, this is the view from the second row. Yan, yung panoramic niya. So, ito na yung tailgate niya, guys. Open lang natin, ha. So, push button din ang pag-open nito. One push, then mag-open siya mag-isa. So, yan. Meron pa rin tayong classic control for this. Ito yung pang-level niya, yung lock ng level, then close, automatic close ng buong tailgate. Yan. So, ito yung look ng likuran niya. So, may apakan pa rin here, ha. Ito. So, yan, ha. May mga ridges siya para kumapit yung shoes nyo pag aakyat kayo dito. Okay? So, ito yung design ng third row niya. Ayan. Nakikita nyo, may power supply din dito ng Type-C. And dalawang cup holder here. Then, on the other side is, yan, meron pa rin power supply na Type-C. There. Then, automatic push button para dito sa sandalan mo. Okay, meron tayong push button there. Yan, para makontrol mo tong sandalan. It's automatic. Yan, yan. Nandito yan, ha. Right? So, going back here lang sa tailgate sa labas, ha. Of course, hindi mo mawawala na dito yung backing camera. Yan. Ito yung backing camera. And, of course, again, the sonar. Backing sonar. Yan. Other side. So, ito yung tail light niya na red. Ang laki, kasi ang laki ng ulo ng tao. So, check naman natin yung outside. So, ito yung design ng mugs niya. Yan, glossy design to, ha. Pag nakita nyo. Then, 20 inches tong size ng mugs nito. So, ito yung design ng stepboard niya. May mga ridges design siya, yan, box. Para at least mas makapit yung shoes nyo. Then going at the side mirror, of course, ito yung design ng side mirror niya. Then meron yung 360 camera here. So ingatan nyo lang yung side mirror nyo, especially yan. Pag ito kasi nasira, of course, pricey yan dahil may naka-include dyan na 360 camera. So yan, design niya. So yan, na-mention ko kanina, meron dito pressurized washer na lumalabas in case natakpan na to ng puro putik. Yan. especially on muddy terrain. Yan. So ito yung fog light natin. And ito yung na-mention ko, isang sensor. Yan, pre-collision sensor. Yan. And another sensor here. Yan. 360 camera located here. Same goes at on the other side. So yan. Butan lang natin So by the way, itong glass na to is pwede itong buksan separately in case may kukuhanin kayo dito sa likod. So yan, itong glass na to is nabubuksan separately. So another look. So, ang price niya right now is 4,806,000 as of July 2025. So, yan. So, guys, hindi ganun karami ang arrivals ito sa Pinas. So, line up lang natin if you want this bad boy. Four by 4 automatic. Of course, diesel to. Gila. So, I forgot to mention ito. Meron tayong built-in na mudguard here. Of course, disc brake tong apat na to. Posibleng hindi maging disc brake to. Another mudguard. Then another front mudguard here. Ayan. Nice. So that's it. Land Cruiser Prado. Yeah. So in case may needed din kayo yung mga premium units natin like Alphard, Land Cruiser 300. Pila lang natin, huwag tayo maubusan ng pag-asa, guys. Okay. Marami akong gusto sabihin sa inyo pero tumawag na lang kayo. Mas best kung tatawag kayo para mas ma-discuss ko everything. Alright. In the meantime, yun. Today, ito, July 25, naka-display to. Pero yun, hindi ko i-commit Anytime, pwedeng may taker nito. So yeah, that's it. Guys, usually iniwan ko dito yung number ko sa video. Tawagan nyo na lang ako, okay? Meron tayong Viber, WhatsApp. And by the way, pwede ang trade-in dito. So in case meron ka lumang unit dyan, pwede mo trade-in dito sa Prado. Alright? Most brands tinatanggap namin for trade-in. Pero guys, wag muna kayo sumugod basta-basta. I-schedule natin kasi mga appraisers namin is by schedule yan. Okay? Usually 10 o'clock AM onwards, dadating na yung mga yan. So, iniiwasan ko dyan na mamaya bigla kayong pumunta dito na walang pasabi. Then, wala yung appraiser. Okay? Sana naintindihan nyo yan. I hope you understand, guys. So, that's it. Thank you.